So we start off today's video with this gorgeous two-tone pixie style. She's got like this teal greenish color going in here mixed with the black. Absolutely stunning pixie and color combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more hairstyle ideas. So here we see a color transformation. So she ended up getting a chocolate brown hair color shade and a French girl style bob. Absolutely love this. Very nice cut and color combo. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we move into this bob haircut transformation. Now it looks like the stylist is doing more of like a mini bob for this one. Very popular hair trend for 2023. So the stylist does mix in some tousled waves for this one. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. This is so chic and stylish. And then we have another hair transformation. Ooh, looks like the stylist is cutting quite a bit of hair off here. Ooh, a beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. Oh, I love this. Very nice. And her natural gray just looks amazing within this cut. And then it looks like we have someone giving themselves an undercut here. Oh, an undercut ponytail. Look at that design. I love the bangs on this hairstyle as well. Very edgy and modern hairstyle. Next up, we have someone doing some layers. Oh, I love the way that he cut those bangs. Very nice. Great way to frame the face. Beautiful layered mid-length haircuts. Gorgeous. And then we see the styling of a Pixie. Now this Pixie is very versatile. She can spike the hair up or wear it down. Lots of options to play around with. And then we see another hair transformation. Wow, gorgeous platinum pixie style. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.